Hey everyone, I'm back in the wild. Today I'm gonna go get those mean chickens with this stick. Let's go get those chickens. Last time they hurt me, they bite me. I'm gonna give them what they deserve. This little stick here will bump on their heads. Here I come. There they are. The mean chickens. Come here. I'm gonna give you what you deserve. One. Here goes. 1, 2. What? Come on, hand, move. Let's try this again. 1, 2. Oh, I can't. They're too cute. Oh, turkeys. I'm sorry. Why did you peck me before? You little chickens. By the way, where's your friends? Where did they go? I don't know. Oh well, I guess I better leave you alone. Darn it. I couldn't bring myself to hurting those poor turkeys. Looks like they lost one from last time, so I bet that's a little bit hard on them. I'm sorry, turkeys. Sorry, chickens. You do look tasty, though. Hello. Come here. I might have food for you. Wait, what's in this can? Look, chicken feed. Nummies. You want some feed? Oh, look at you. Oh well. Come here, though, please. I want to eat you. Come here. Come here, you little turkeys. Come here. I got a finger. Oh. What do you think? Nothing? Well, at least you're not as mean as last time.
Get off our land.
What? Who was that?
It's us, you idiot. Get off our land.
What? Who's talking to me?
It's us. We, the turkeys. We want you to get off our land now.
No, I resist. I refuse. Wait, how are you guys talking to me anyway?
Who cares? It's all in your brain, man. All in your brain.
What? In my brain? What? You guys are creeping me out. You guys are weird.
Oh, go on. Before we kick you in the weirdo.
Oh no, I don't want to be kicked. I don't want to. Run. Oh. Dang it. I think I need to see a therapist or something, because that was just plain freaky.